Hi everyone, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing function machines. So a function machine is essentially where you take a number, you put it into the machine, which is known as an input. The machine changes this number by some amount and then puts it out, which is known as an output. So for this question, it's asking us, if the input is 12, what is the output? Well, the input is 12, so we have 12 going into this machine, and it takes away 10 from it. So what is the output? Well, 12 minus 10 is 2. So the output in this case is 2. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another 1-star example. Here it's asking us if the output is 3, what is the input? So we know that this machine takes an input, subtracts 10 from it, and outputs 3. So what number do you subtract 10 from that then leaves you with 3? Well, this number has to be 13. So the input for this function machine had to have been 13. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now we'll do a 2-star example. Here we have an input of 8, and it's asking us what the output is. So if we input 8 into this function machine, it first gets multiplied by 2. The result of that then gets a plus 2, and then we have the output. So let's think about this. 8 times 2 is 16, and then 16 plus 2 is 18. So the output for this function machine, given an input of 8, is 18. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 3-star example. Here we're told if the input is 7 and the output is 2, what could the missing operation be? So we have an input of 7. Something happens to the 7, and we need to find out what it is. But then it has a further operation of minus 8 happening to it, and then finally it outputs a 2. Well, let's think about this. 2 plus 8. So we're actually going to go in the opposite direction now. And if you're going in the opposite direction of a function machine, it's usually the opposite operation that's happening. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Now, 10, something has to happen to it to give us 7, which is minus 3. If we do 10 minus 3, it will get us 7. But don't forget, we're working in the opposite way round here. So it's minus 3 going from right to left, but going from left to right, it's going to be plus 3. So I think that this function machine has an operation of plus 3 to the 7, and we can test it out. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. And I think this is our answer here. And if we check our answer, there it is, plus 3. And that's it for the lesson on function machines.